Hi, this is Cameron with Dr. Dean in Idaho Falls. We're going to take some dents out of a 2021 Subaru Crosstrek. We'll show you this damage here. Went through a couple of body lines. This one is very tight and sharp right through there. And then this one comes, decent size deep dents there. So, okay, here's kind of a little mid repair. You can see on the top when it's not super clean yet. There's still some imperfections in there. This one up here, yeah, right in there, you can see there's just still some imperfections. And this was a very difficult one to do because there's not very much access. Okay, here it is, all finished.